Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use phone number instead of email address for your FaceTime. So guys, if you want to use your phone number instead of your email address for your FaceTime, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this here, I have selected my email address for my FaceTime app. So as here I will show you how can you change it. So for that, simply go back to your settings, and from here you have to open your Apple ID or your profile, and now from here you have to tap on sign in and security. Tap on this, and from here you have to tap on edit, and from here you have to add email address or phone number for your iMessage or FaceTime. So guys, as you can see this, I have added my phone number and my email address for my FaceTime or iMessage apps on my iPhone. So guys, as you want to use your phone number instead of your email address, so you have to remove your email address from here. So as you have to simply remove your email address from here, and after this you have to go back and you have to scroll it below, and you have to open your FaceTime from here. Tap on this, and after this scroll it below, and from here you have to select your phone number instead of your email address. So as here you can see this, I have selected my email address for my FaceTime, and if you want to select your phone number for your FaceTime, then you have to select your phone number for using your FaceTime app. So guys, in this way you can easily change your phone number instead of email address for your FaceTime. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.